Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am really looking forward to all things spring thanks to these gorgeous plant holders. These are from VISFLAIR, and they also have a solar lamp at the top, which is a super nice bonus surprise. These are both 45 inches high, and you can see that they're made out of wrought iron. I am really impressed because even during some big wind gusts that we've had in the past few weeks, they have not blown over. So they're very sturdy and they stand up tall the whole day. At night, you get a beautiful glowing solar light that comes out of these. At the top is a solar puck, and that has an option to turn it off or on. Once it's turned on, it will automatically recharge throughout the day, providing that really pretty light at night. The lampshade itself is made out of a plastic material, so even if these did fall over, I'm not worried that they will break thanks to it not being glass. The plant stands themselves have a beautiful star design, and you can see that it holds the plant holders with no problem. You could put multiple on the bottom one, and it's just a really fun way to introduce spring and summer into your outdoor porch or deck or right by your front door. I'm really looking forward to being able to have these with some beautiful flowers and to enjoy them all season long. But that's just my point of view.